Good morning, everybody. It is bright and early, Saturday, February 19, and I am here to get my nails done. I'm not sure if I'm going to take you with me because I'm embarrassed, but I will show you the end result. So, you guys, to tell you I love my nails is an understatement. Eek! I'm so excited. How pretty are they? I had something else in mind, but I changed my mind, and I took long because I filmed a reels for my Instagram because why not? I did them long enough because why am I doing my nails if I'm doing them short, right? Anyways, I need to buy myself a pair of pants for work, and then I have to go home and do a lot of cleaning. Today is February 27th. I figure I haven't had a video in around 2 weeks, and I wanted to upload this vlog today, so hopefully I can show you guys a few things that have been going on. So I haven't been very active on social media or here because I recently started my fitness journey, and it has been going really well. So far I've lost almost 10 pounds, which is really good. I still have a long way to go, but I'm feeling amazing. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see like what I eat in a day or something like that. But lately we've had some adjustments, and when I get adjusted to something, it takes time. I put all my energy into it, so that's why I haven't been active here. So yeah, today is Sunday and I have a lot of cleaning to do. I have all of that to clean. I want to wash my sheets and all of that great stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'll be doing today. I do need to buy some groceries. I've really been buying all healthy stuff, so maybe I'll take you guys along with me. First of all, I want to show you my attire. I'm gonna change them, but this is what I'm wearing. I don't know about you, but whenever I clean, I like to watch cleaning videos. They help, you guys, they help. My little planner corner. Let me show you guys. This is my planner corner. Excuse the lighting. I don't know why the lighting is so weird in here, but it is a mess, y'all. I condense everything to just this little section right here. I do have one section in Elijah's room that I want to clean, but basically I just have a few makeup here that I wanna clean this up. So I have, what is this? This is Elijah right here. So I have makeup. The first two drawers are makeup, and then I have planner stuff. So I got rid of a lot of my happy planner stuff. I did kept my most favorite sticker books, and I have sticker books from like subscriptions and all of that. In here I have paper clips. In here I have more stickers. I got this thing in the Dollar Tree, and I put my little like sticky notes here, die cuts, and down here I keep more stickers and my pens and highlighters and all of that great stuff, but everything is just right here. And if you ask me how I've been doing lately with my planning, terrible. I've had a lot of stuff to do, but I think the more things I gotta do, the less I copy it down. I have been slacking, you guys. Sometimes I feel like I can focus on getting my life together one thing at a time. So right now it's my health and wellness. I am doing a lot better with that. I'm doing so good, and now I want to get back to my planning game. So I just wanted to show you all. Oh, also actually no, also I have I also have these pictures here, so if you guys can see it, but I have John, which I have to upgrade that because he's already out, and I have Elijah there. I have a few things there. I don't have anything else. I feel like I wanna, I don't know, fix something up in this room. I have my vanity on the other side, and I used to have it right here. I don't know if to put it back here. I don't know what to do, you guys. I just don't have an idea. I don't know. I don't know what to do. But yeah, I'm cleaning. Wish me luck. talk later. Guys, I am seeing some progress already. I'm washing my sheets and I wanted to show you my little vanity section. You guys, this candle has to be, in my opinion, the best smelling one in Bath and Body Works. It smells so amazing. I do want to go ahead and check out the spring candles, but this one smells so good. So here is the one in my bathroom. That one smells really good too. That was a gift. Not as strong as I would like, because I'm noticing that I really like the stronger type of scents, but it's pretty good. Anyways, I am just cleaning last few things. I have to clean my mirrors, as you can, I don't know if you can tell, but hi everybody. So today is actually March 1st and I wanted to end the vlog. Sorry I did not take you guys along with me to buy all the groceries. I feel like I can do that on a separate vlog maybe if you guys like, but I did do my hair yesterday and I cut it. Just don't look at that. I cut my hair. I figured it was time for a change and I actually really love it. I just wanted to end the vlog here. Hopefully I can hopefully I can start uploading again. See you all soon on my next one.